Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. This might be a little bit elementary for some of you, but for some of you it might help. You've been drawing for a while and you've got the inside, what you want to cut out, the way you do it or engrave it or print it or whatever. But you want to get rid of this garbage on the outside or what you have left over. So one, you could select it all and then hold down the Shift key and go through here and marquee that. That deselected that, and I can hit delete. It deleted everything on the page. Now, let's say you have a piece way over here and you're zoomed in and you don't see it. Then you can go Control A, and Control A will select everything. And if we look, that's picked way out there. And then hold down the Shift key and select that and hit delete, and now everything's gone. And you could always test with F4. F4, if something is out here, way out here, and you don't know it, and you're zoomed in on your page, if you'll hit F4, you'll see that whatever's left. Now, another thing that you can do, let's say now you have it like this, and you want to get rid of all these three shapes. Well, let's do the circles, the ellipse, or even the rectangle. So I've got rectangles, ellipses. Matter of fact, let's bring back everything. Because this is even though it's a triangle, it's a polygon with three sides. So if you go to edit and find and replace and go right here to edit query and go right here to, I want to check the polygons and say okay, and then hit find all and then hit delete, it deleted all the polygons, even the triangles. And then if you want to go further and you're going to go edit query and we want to get rid of all the rectangles. And a rectangle is either a square or a rectangle, and say okay. And then we're going to find all and then we're going to hit delete, and all you have left is circles. Anyway, I hope that helps somebody a little bit. Thank you for watching.